उकडा मकडा बळी जाता उकडा मकडा बळी जाता दोन्ही बैसून भरण येता हात्या बैसून जेवण जाता उकडा घरा तोरण मंगळालय होरण उकडा घरा तोरण मंगळालय होरण कोंड्यांगले सत्ते वल्ली भरत माते कोंड्यांगले सत्ते वल्ली भरत माते उकडा मकडा बळी जाता
Finally, a long-awaited dream has come true, as the government of Karnataka gave its approval for teaching of Konkani as a third optional language from 6th to 10th standard students, either in Kannada or Devanagari script. July 14, 2007 is a remarkable day in the history of language and literature of Konkani, and the celebration of the long-awaited movement was witnessed by a large number of tender hearts in the auditorium of Nalanda English Medium School in the city. TV Daijiworld brings you a few clippings of this celebration. The day was filled with fragrance of Konkani that has been spoken irrespective of religions at household level. The textbooks were released in the presence of students and teachers. The events of the day included release of Konkani textbooks and felicitation of the pupil who worked towards publishing the textbooks. Indira Jodumata and Suchitra Shanoi, and the demonstration of the methodology of teaching Konkani.
तातून दोन रूख असले रुखाचे पोटान तीन वाघ चार पिल्लांचे वंगड हेतानी तितल्यान थंय पांच शिकारी आयले तांणी सर जाणे तांचे वयर उडोवन पातळले सात वागय जाणान सिद्धले.
One more person to rejoice as the books were released was Reverend Father Eric Prasta, President of the Konkani Bhasha Mandali. He expressed his happiness on this occasion in these words.
इस कलातन कोंकणी शिकोवच्याक आदार जावन पाठ्यपुस्तक हाचे उक्तावण उद्घाटन हे कार्य येदोळसांच्या शासकांनी हांगासर आमच्या मुखार केलां. ह्या वक्ताक इस्कॉलातन कोंकणी शिकोवच्या द्वारे आमची भास मायभास कोंकणी हाचे उदरगत हाचे वाडावळण आनी हाची अभिवृद्धी जावच्या ह्या दिशेन सहकार दिवन बरें मन दाखोवन इस्कॉलांत हाडूंक आमकां परवानगी दिल्या कर्नाटकाच्या सरकाराक हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
Mr. Yogesh Bhatt, the local MLA of Mangalore, who is a Konkani speaker himself, was one of the chief guests.
क्लास अभ्यासनो पाठ आयकुचे योग मॅडम तेवी फर्स्ट पाठोची कोंकणाले म्हणून आवडीकर दोन्हीचे एक दोन 10 ताई काणी रुपारी कशी काय चंद्रकरी बरडा एका एका लिंगी जाऊन कशी मनात तशी पाठा सांभाळले पण तो कळला आणि नीती बोधक जाऊन कशी सांभाळले ते तीन पाठ आणि हंगे मास्टर भारी समजले चेडू के लहान करतो प्रश्न घालला कुठले उत्तर दिले या करता जे विशेष असणारे आम्ही कशी मानवणी करताची कशी ड्राईव्ह करतात आणि तो देवनागरी लिपीची या पुढच्या कारण कसं आहे देवनागरी लिपी आणि कन्नड लिपी दोन्ही कोंकणी बोधना जाऊची तशी व्यवस्था कर्नाटक सरकार केला देवनागरी लिपी कसं सत्र कोंकणी भाषा एक शेड्यूल राष्ट्रीय अंतू भाषा म्हणून कन्सिडर करताना त्यांना देवनागरी लिपीची तक्का मान्यता मिळाली गोवा केरळ कर्नाटक महाराष्ट्र देवी भाषा तशीच उत्तर भारतात कोंकणी भाषा उल्लेखना समानता सुखದ ಸಮರಸದ ಸುಖ ಏಕತಾ ಸುಖ ದೇವನಾಗರಿ ಲಿಪಿ या स्क्रिप्ट ಮತ್ತು ಅಳವಡಿಸುವಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ವಾಗತ तशीच कन्नड माध्यमाची कन्नड लिपी या भाषा अर्थ जाऊ तशी होत असले काय मान्यता दिला.
Speaking to TV Daiji World, Father Eric shared his joy in these words.
Today is a very special day, a milestone in the history of Konkani language and culture. Being Konkani textbook being inaugurated today, it is a great milestone because it was a dream of many people and many institutions who have worked behind this. Especially, I would like to thank the government of Karnataka for being generous, granting the permission to teach Konkani from 6th standard onwards in our schools. And with the government, many other people, and especially our local MLA, Mr. Yogesh Bhatt, who has helped and also worked. So I especially thank him on this occasion. So while I thank, it is an opportunity for us to know our own language and more so to learn. You know, when language is being taught and developed, it is through language our culture and identity is being established. And while we know our culture, we improve upon our own literature and also develop our language. So it is one of the occasions and therefore it is one of the milestones. And on this occasion, it is not enough that we start Konkani or release books, textbooks. It is more important that all we together work for it, especially the teachers, those who teach, the children and their parents who show interest and have some respect for their mother tongue and through which they allow their children to learn. And so also there is a responsibility laid on the government. It is not enough only have textbooks and start. So many things have to be done. Therefore, all together we need to work for this language to improve and also to retain our culture and also our traditions through Konkani language.
A good beginning is half done, and Konkani is most fortunate for having committed minds that would think of taking their mother tongue to greater heights. Finally, the attempt has proved that Konkani people, wherever, whoever and whatever they are, in their hearts they always remember their mother tongue. Ami Konkani, ami amchi kong niwadoya, amka amcha kongnicher koro borvosa asa. I hope you too. This is Shalmi Montero with cameraman Uttam for TV Daiji World.